Hi, this is Mr. Peter Hansel. I'm going to show you how to study for the SAT. You're going to start off by going to khanacademy.org. You're going to log in. If you don't have an account, make an account. Come on, it's not hard. You got an Instagram account, you got your YouTube account, you know how to make an account, okay? You didn't have to, most of you were here the day that we logged in with guidance, but if you weren't, just make an account. Just click make new account. You'll get into your dashboard and it looks like this. You're going to click the blue button. You're going to then click the practice tab here. And there's a math tab and a reading and writing tab. You're going to ignore the essay tab and do either reading or math practice. I'm going to show you a math example right now. You want to do these practice questions, not the diagnostic. Let me repeat that one more time. Do any of the practice modules, not the diagnostic. The diagnostic won't work with my method, okay? You're gonna go to, I don't know, let's see. How about table data? You're gonna go to whatever, any of the practice. Any practice you want, you're going to click into. We're going to do table data right now. So we got our question over here. And this is where the notes come in. I firmly believe that while you practice on Khan Academy, you should have a piece of paper, ladies and gentlemen, and be taking notes, writing on that piece of paper. The notes are going to look like this. Going to have 4 sections to your notes. The question, the video, the hints, the answer. And then after you've done those 4 sections of notes, and this is important, you're going to move on. You're going to move on. Let me show you how this would work. Now, if at any point while taking these notes, you feel like you have figured out the answer, you're going to stop taking notes. And you're going to just answer the question straight out and move on. But I'm going to pretend right now like we're confused all the way through, so you understand the process. Alright, I haven't seen this question before. So let's read it. It's talking about the science textbook has 4 chapters, each with number of skills. Okay, a table representing this information is on the left. Based on the table, which of the following statements is true? Okay, so I'm going to summarize what these folks are asking me, which is always next to the question mark, and put that in my notes. They're asking me which of the statements is true, and I have to use the table. So I'm going to go ahead. They're asking me to figure out a true statement based on table, right? That's what they're asking me. Okay. So I'm looking at the table. I see a bunch of numbers, and I look here and I see fractions. Ooh, fractions, right? So I'm really, and then I see the word relative frequency. What does that even mean? I don't know. So what I'm going to do is watch a video. Now the video is not going to be this problem. It's going to be a different problem.
A total of 7.
That's similar, and see if I can get anything out of the video. As the video plays, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take notes with it.
22 people participated in a survey about their music preferences. The results, separated by gender, are displayed above. According to the survey, what is the probability that a male likes rap music? So let's look at the total number of males surveyed. So this column right over here, these are the males that were surveyed. And we see that the total number of males surveyed is 35. So there's 35 males that were asked, what is their musical preference? And we want to know, what is the probability that a male likes rap music, according to the survey. So out of the 35 males, how many of them liked rap music? Well, we see right over here 4 out of the 35 liked rap music. So based on this survey, this would really just be an estimate of the true probability, but based on this survey, out of 35, 4 liked rap music. So your best estimate of the probability of a random male liking rap music based on this survey, according to the survey, would be 4/35, or 4 out of 35. Now let's look at the choices, and there we have it. 4 out of 35 is the first choice.
Okay, so these are what I took away, what I believe he did, and maybe you took something different away, is that he found the total number, he found how many like rap music, and then he went ahead and divided. That's what I got out of it, so that's what I wrote down under my video notes. Now I'm going to go back to the question. Our question is asking, it's a lot different than the one he did, because it's not asking like for a specific probability. It's giving a bunch of different probabilities and asking which one is true. And that is really, yeah, I'm still confused. I'm looking at this and I still don't know where to go here. It's too different from the one he did. So, I'm going to do the hints now, okay? And then I'm going to do notes on the hints under right here. So, let's get a hint. Let's examine the frequency of each choice. Okay? That hint's not helpful. And then they've got, okay, so that hint, I'm not even going to take any notes on it. Well, okay, here's what I'll put. They found the frequency for each choice. Whatever that means. Let's do another hint. Let's figure out where 21 and 89 are. These are in the total column, not the analysis problems column. The relative frequency of analysis problems is 11 out of, from chapter 2 is 11 out of 39. So I go back up to the questions. And let's say, after all that, so I'll take a note on that hint. It seems like in this hint they did it. That's all I got out of that. Did an example. So I still don't know. I watched the video. Now I understood the video. I understood what they did in the video. But then I got back to my question and I was able to summarize kind of the hints. But I am still confused. So I'm gonna go ahead and guess. And then get the answer. And see where that helps me out. Incorrect, okay. Let's examine the frequency of each choice. Okay. It looks like what they do is they look for each of these frequencies in the table. They look for a 12 and a 23. They look for a 2 and a 3. They look for a 4 and a 39, and they try to see where it lines up. That's what they're talking about here. Just check in each one, see where it is in the table, like 4, 39. There's 4, there's 39. And it goes with chapter 4. Okay. And that, in fact, is the answer. So, what I learned from the answer is I should look for numbers in the table. So I'm still shaky on this. I still don't know if I could get it, but that's fine. Because, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do the last step. I'm going to move on. I'm going to move on to a new question. and do that whole process over again. And I'm going to do this. That took me 10 minutes, so I think I'll do it 2 more times, and then I'm going to go to bed. So that's exactly what I recommend you do. Spend 30 minutes before bed doing exactly what I'm doing right now. And I think that will help you improve your score on the SAT. Thank you for watching.